Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my appreciation. My name is Tiffany. The topic of my appreciation today is how to make Chinese dish for Chinese New Year. The reason that this topic is useful for you is so you can learn how to make a dinner for Chinese New Year. Do you know about Chinese New Year? We are going to talk about three things. These are firstly, what is Chinese New Year? And secondly, how to make a hot pot, which is very delicious food. Finally, we are going to talk about blessing for Chinese New Year. Due to the limited time, I have today just 4 minutes. I would appreciate if you would keep your questions until the end. Thank you. Firstly, what is Chinese New Year? Chinese New Year is the most traditional festival in China. During the festival, each family lights firecrackers and post Spring Festival and send best wish for the new year. Family eat dumplings and set off firecrackers. Most young people are busy at home or studying for advanced degrees. So the Spring Festival holiday provides a chance for them to meet many people in short time. That's the end of the first point. Now we will move on the second point, which is about how to make a hot pot. In a wok over medium heat, add the oil and the ginger. Cook the ginger for about a minute until caramelized, making sure it doesn't burn. Add the bay leaves, whole garlic, cloves, clavo stick, and star anise and cloves. Cook another 2 minutes until very fragrant. Add the Sichuan peppercorns, dried chilies, and the spice hot pot soup base. Cook another 2 minutes and then add chicken stock. Bring pot to be relative weight and at least 6 deep. Then we will prepare some meat and vegetables in hot pot. I found this recipe on Google. That's all for the second point. Finally, the blessing for Chinese New Year. The Chinese New Year will come soon, so I wish you a Happy New Year. That's the end of the final point. In conclusion, in this presentation, my objective was learn how to make a dish for Chinese New Year. I have crowned 3 main points. Firstly, what is Chinese New Year? Secondly, we talk about how to make hot pot. Finally, we discussed the blessing for Chinese New Year. I hope you have found this presentation useful. Thank you. Question, please. If there are no more questions, that is the end of presentation. Thank you. Bye-bye.